Hi guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. I am going to do a quick DIY and I'm going to decapage 8 of these clear plates that I want to give to my girlfriends for Valentine's Day. And I'm creating 4 of them each. So for each family will receive 4 of these Valentine plates. So what you'll need for this DIY is the tissue paper, which you get from the Dollar Tree. You'll need your scissors, a pencil, a cup of water, the clear plates, and a plate of Mod Podge glue. And I have the Mod Podge right here. And you can get the small ones from the Dollar Tree, but for me, because I love Decapage, I do so much of it, it does not make sense for me. So I like to purchase this from Michael's, which is $8. I want to say it's $8.98, and you get 50% off. So that's what I do, because that's a much bigger container. It lasts. I like to use a paintbrush, and these you can also get at Michael's. There's 20 in the pack for $7.99. Is it $7? I think it's either $7.99 or $9.99, but it's worth it. And you're going to just paint on your Mod Podge. I like to take a little bit of water. I like to dilute it a bit. Just coat it really well. And it can get messy, guys, so I would suggest that you put down paper towel, plastic, or something on your table if you don't want it to get messed up. Now I'm using a marble table here, so it cleans up very well, so that's why it's not protected. So after you have measured out your tissue paper, you want to make sure you cut it out slight bit bigger than the size of your plate. And then you just cut the excess later. Go ahead and lay your tissue paper down. Make sure it's even on all the sides. At this stage, I like to make sure I get all the bubbles out. But let me rephrase that. You will not get all the bubbles out, but you want to make sure you get most of your bubbles out. Don't be in a hurry, just take your time, work your way around. And if you do have some wrinkles, you know, I think that's perfectly fine. Others may disagree, but I like having a little bit of wrinkles in mine. I mean, it's just character, I think. I'm not saying to do it in a sloppy way. Do your best to get as much as your wrinkles out, but if there is some in there, I don't think it's a big deal. Don't drive yourself crazy, I'm saying. Okay, so far, that's how it is. And what I'm going to do now is see to getting more of the wrinkles out, all the bubbles, get the bubbles out. And I do that by brushing. That seemed to help smooth it out a bit. You're also applying more of your Mod Podge to your plate when you're brushing it on. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead, go all the way around, finish adding more of the glue to the plate and come back and show you what it looks like. Okay? Okay guys, so the plates are almost dried. It's okay for me to touch it now, so that's how I know it's almost dry. And I just mixed some Mod Podge glue with some metallic paint, and I got that from Walmart, and I want to say it was $1.98, which is a reasonable price. And I want to go ahead and add that to the plate, just so I can have a gold texture reflecting on the inside. I have not done this, so I'm not quite sure what it's going to look like, but I am taking a chance, believing that it will be absolutely gorgeous. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. Still keep my fingers crossed. Hope you can see that, guys. And I'm just going across with the paint and the Mod Podge. Okay, I hope that that's coming out great. Hopefully it'll be beautiful. Once it's dry, I will come back and let you see how it turned out. To let that dry. Okay guys, so the plate is still drying, but this is the way it turned out. And what I did, I painted it with the metallic paint that I got from Walmart. But after it dried, it was still pale. So I went ahead and spray painted it with the regular gold spray paint that I have. And so what I'm going to do is seal it, because normally I don't keep it sealed because I like to remove it and reuse the plate. But like I said, I'm giving it as a gift, and I'm creating 8 of them. And so I want to make sure I go ahead and seal it for them so they can wash it by hand and still reuse it as often as they want to. So I hope you guys like it. This is the way it turned out. I absolutely love the gold in the back. I think it's beautiful. I hope you can see the full thing. So I have a few more to go, and I just want to share this with you. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. and I'll let you know if they love these plates when I give it to them. If you're not a subscriber, I hope that you'll consider being a subscriber and hit the subscribe button, become a part of our family. And guys, I thank you so much for your time, and I hope you'll have a blessed night.